Yeah, we are live, Church. August body coding live. No Footwork every day. Yeah, remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? First, see the move today. Flare number 8. Let's go. This is the move. This is the groove, yeah. And remember, no excuses. Let's switch the cameras and do it together. Let's go and do it together, yeah. Let's do it together with the left or with the right. With something here on the lens. Okay, we'll do it again. With the left or with the right, let's go. We tap. We tap, we step, we tap, yeah, and now step, tap, yeah, now with the right, let's go, tap, tap, step, tap, and tap, yeah, one more time, with the left, let's go, we tap inside, tap outside, we step, we tap, and tap, and tap. Now let's give it a count. Are you ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now it's fast. And 5, and 7. Amazing. One more time with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. Yeah, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. Yeah, with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. Amazing. Amazing. This is the move flare number 8. Yes! Wait, you still here? Yes, you still here. Let's do another practice. Yeah! Now face to face. I want to see you. Let's put the phone here and imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah! But doing the footwork, of course. Are you ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. Again, let's go. With the left. We tap. We tap. We step. We tap, now a bit faster, and tap, and tap. Yeah, this is the flare part. Now with the right, tap, tap, step, tap, now, and tap, and tap. Amazing automation. Let's do it with the count. Let's do it with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. A bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. Yeah. Do you want a tip? Do you want a tip? Let's add the shoulders a little bit. Let's go. With the shoulders at the beginning. Tap, 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 step, tap. Now no shoulders. Focusing on the feet. And 5 and 7. Switching the hands. You see the hands from here to here. Bam, 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 bam. When we do the flare, this is switching the hands just from here to here. Let's go. Shoulders at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See here. And 7. Yeah. Now the shoulders again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7. Yes. Notice the key thing here. We do something else with the shoulders, with the upper body to emphasize The legs. Yeah, at the beginning we do this, yeah. And then to emphasize the legs, we put the hands. Yeah. One more time. Tap, tap, step, tap. Now focusing with the legs. And 5 and 7. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And if you are the serious student, and I know that at least one of you is the serious student, you can check the link to the full tutorial on YouTube. How can you do that? You can check the link above, below, to the side. And if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the full tutorial. Yes. To the YouTube channel, of course. And then in the channel, you can search for this move, Flare number 8. Yeah, that's the name of the move, Flare number 8. And I also remind you, these are universal moves. Why universal? Because this is what we do here, Marcus Body coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Name it. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba. Yes, any kind of dance that you want. Universal moves. And either way, do these moves today. This specific move today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork, so you need to do this one today, so you know it. So tomorrow you can learn the new move, the new footwork every day. Focus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So let's see you tomorrow, or see you tomorrow. I think I'll see you tomorrow. Have an amazing day.